360 and just toss it up.
Spread eagle almost right over the top of Skyle.
You gotta get it out of his excitement here in the stadium.
Baseline. He comes into the traffic just
The power slam.
Jordan knows what's going to happen. What?
Trying to wrap you up, and somehow you have a ball.
On defense, and anything a defender can see, you be the only guy back on defense.
Michael Jordan with 22 points.
Unbelievable.
Of Michael Jordan, how magnificent is it?
What if sabihin ko sa iyo na ang pinakadakilang basketball player, greatest of all time, or GOAT, sa mundo ay minsang sinabihan na hindi siya magaling? Hindi siya pinanganak na legend. At hindi rin siya laging panalo. Si Michael Jordan ay produkto ng failure,
I've missed more than 9,000 shots in my career. I've lost almost 300 games. 26 times I've been trusted to take the game-winning shot and missed. I've failed over and over and over again in my life. And that is why I succeed.
rejection, at sobrang kasipagan. Before we start, kung gusto mo ng motivational stories na pwedeng mag-push sa'yo sa araw-araw, hit that subscribe button at i-on ng notification bell. Tara, simulan na natin ang kwento ng isang taong tumangging sumuko. Si Michael Jeffrey Jordan, o kung tawagin ay Michael Jordan, ay pinanganak noong 1963 sa Brooklyn, New York at lumaki sa North Carolina. Bata pa lang siya, mahilig na siya sa sports, basketball, baseball, football. Pero, contrary sa akala ng marami, hindi siya agad nag-stand out. Mas magaling pa raw minsan ang kuya niya. Madalas din siyang talo. At sobrang ayaw na ayaw niya ang feeling ng pagkatalo. Dito pa lang, makikita mo na hindi talent ang unang nagpapaandar kay Jordan. Mindset. Noong high school na si Michael Jordan, nag-tryout siya para sa varsity basketball team. Pero guess what? Hindi siya natanggap. Sinabi ng coach na kulang pa siya. Masyado raw siyang maliit at hindi pa ready. Umiyak siya ng gabing iyon. Legit na masakit. Pero imbis na mag-quit, sinabi niya sa sarili niya, hindi na ito mauulit. Araw-araw siyang nag-practice, mas maaga kaysa sa lahat, mas huli umuwi kaysa sa lahat.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness.
At kung naniniwala ka na sa setbacks or redirections, comment mo push sa baba. Sa mga sumunod na taon, hindi lang siya nakapasok sa team. Isa na rin siya sa pinakamagaling. Dahil sa sipag at disiplina, nakapasok siya sa University of North Carolina. Noong 1982 naman, freshman pa lang siya. Pero siya ang gumawa ng game-winning shot sa NCAA Championship. Isang tira, isang moment, nagbago ang buhay niya.
Has gone almost 3 minutes without a score, without a shot. Here goes Jordan to the corner.
That breaks the tension. Jordan, a sophomore with superb athletic skills, could wind up as the best player Smith or Carolina has ever produced. And pick up the two-pointer. Darting, weaving back and forth. Score tied at 11. Jordan, two quick back.
North Carolina appears to try to push the ball inside to alley-oop.
Michael Jordan at the one-handed alley-oop.
They had an average margin of 16 points in their wins.
Jordan for the first half. There's an alley-oop to Jordan. Jordan
Anywhere he wants to go. You see Fleming on Michael Jordan right there. That's a change defensively.
you're tied.
But Kenny Smith gets around, and Michael comes in, offensive rebound, 2 points.
That pulled LSU within 2, would be as close as they would get the rest of the way.
Watch Michael Jordan get to the offensive board after play. Matt said, here we are in 4 corners. Michael makes a great pass to Brad Doherty out of 4 corners, and 3-point play, which is extremely important in that time.
At noong 1984 naman, na-draft si Michael Jordan sa Chicago Bulls.
And now we are ready for the third pick, and the Chicago Bulls, who have been drafting very high down through the years, and they have the third pick today.
The Chicago Bulls pick Michael Jordan of the University of North Carolina.
So Michael Jordan, who right now is in Bloomington getting ready for the upcoming Olympics, and this man is a can't miss at whether a guard spot or the forward at 6'6", 195 pounds.
You know, he makes them when they count. He can do it in traffic. He can do it under tremendous control. He's a great, great creator. In the mold of a Dr. J, not as big, but is in that class, and I think he's going to make a great, great player. He's what you call the people's player. People love to see this young man perform.
From day one, ibang-iba na siya. Explosive, fearless, relentless. Fans love him. Pero ang mga critics, hindi pa rin kumbinsido. Sabi nila, magaling, pero di siya champion. Score lang alam niya. Hindi siya team player. At alam mo na, lahat ng doubts na yan, ginawa niyang gasolina. Quick reminder, kung nai-inspire ka, subscribe ka na. Kasi mas marami pa tayong ganitong kwento.
But it goes to Watley, 3-on-1. Jordan! Holy Toledo, what a feed by Watley. What a bucket by Jordan. And they also draw the foul.
Paulit-ulit niyang natalo ang Bulls sa playoffs, lalo na sa laban sa Detroit Pistons. Sobrang physical, sobrang brutal. Parang gusto siyang sirain ng sistema. Pero imbis na magreklamo, nagbago si Jordan. Nagpalakas ng katawan, nag-aral ng depensa, natutong magtiwala sa teammates. Hindi lang katawan ang lumakas, isip niya naging matibay din. Dito mo makikita na ang success hindi talaga instant, pinaghihirapan. At noong 1991, dumating na ang breakthrough. Nanalo ang Chicago Bulls ng unang NBA championship nila. At hindi lang isa, hindi rin dalawa, 6 na championships sa loob ng dekada. Kapag dikit ang laban, iisa lang ang tanong ng lahat. Kay Jordan ba pupunta ang bola?
Game on the line, who would take the last shot? Me. That's a dumb question, me.
At kadalasan, sa kanya nga. Pasok, clutch, cold-blooded, legendary, at talagang memorable, tatatak sa utak ng mga tao. Sa rurok ng kanyang karir, bigla siyang nagretiro para mag-baseball. Maraming nag-isip, tapos na siya. Pero bumalik siya at nanalo pa ng 3 championships. Isa lang ang mensahe. Ang tunay na greatness, bumabalik kahit ilang beses bumagsak. Si Michael Jordan ay hindi lang basketball player. Isa din siyang simbolo ng disiplina, obsession sa improvement, at hindi pagsuko. Sabi niya, I have failed over and over again in my life, and that is why I succeed. Kung ikaw ay nadapa ngayon, rejected, discouraged, pagod, tandaan mo si Michael Jordan. At kung gusto mo ng more motivational stories tulad nito, subscribe ka na ngayon, like this video at i-share mo sa kaibigan mong kailangan ng inspiration. Dahil ang tunay na champions, bumubuo pag walang nanonood.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anywhere